Welcome, gamers! Today, we're diving into the world of the Dolphin Emulator, and I'll show you how to use your keyboard and mouse for an enhanced gaming experience. Before we start, let's go over the system requirements for running Dolphin Emulator effectively in 2025. Make sure your PC meets these specifications. Step 1. Let's download Dolphin Emulator. Head over to the official website and grab the latest version. Follow me as I guide you through the installation process. Now that you have Dolphin installed, it's time to configure the settings for optimal keyboard and mouse performance. Let's tweak these settings just right. Next up, let's map your keyboard keys and mouse actions within Dolphin Emulator. This setup will make your gaming feel more seamless and natural. You're almost there. Now, let's explore some in-game settings that can enhance your gameplay experience with the keyboard and mouse. If you run into any issues, don't worry. Here are some common troubleshooting tips for keyboard and mouse controls in Dolphin Emulator. Looking for the best games to play with a keyboard and mouse? Here are our top recommendations that will take your gaming to the next level. To wrap things up, we've shared a ton of tips for a superior gaming experience using Dolphin Emulator with a keyboard and mouse. Happy gaming, everyone!